This crostata combines rhubarb and raspberry. Now you are going to need a crostata, a batch of our crostata dough. Check that out before you start. And a crostata is just like a free-form tart. You can see from the photos that the dough is just rolled out and then flipped over the side. The one thing about crostatas, I have to tell you, they don't keep really well. So I would definitely suggest baking this the day you plan on serving it, but it comes together so quickly that won't be a problem. It's red, it is juicy, it is fruity. You've got the tender, juicy filling and then the flaky, buttery crust, and you're gonna love it. Make it the next time you have fresh rhubarb at the market.